wanted to review this rocker lawn chair that we got. It's the XL version, so it's a little bit bigger, but it's been a great addition for outdoor activities that we have. You see here, it's nice and portable, pretty lightweight. Put it in the back of your car, stores up real nice. When you're ready to use it, super simple, just to pop it out, push one down, it's good to go. It's got good shocks on it, really comfortable chair. It's got a side pocket for your phone, water, string as well to keep that tight. When you're done, get up. It's got a nice little handle right here to fold. Pull up, push it up, you're ready to keep going.